In this video, we will show you how to create multiple Google Chrome user accounts. Individual user accounts are beneficial if multiple family members or other people are using the same computer. Each user account will have its own history, bookmarks, and autofill information, such as login credentials and payment methods. To create a user account, click on the Accounts icon and select Add. Then click the Add Person button, type in the name, select the user's picture, leave the checkmark on Create a desktop shortcut for this user, and then click the Add button. Notice a new desktop icon with the user's name will appear. To add another person, click the Accounts icon and select Add, and repeat the previous steps: name, picture, and click the Add button. To remove user accounts, click on the Accounts icon, click on the Settings icon, then navigate over the user's picture and click on the three-dot icon, then select Remove this person. You can also sync the user profiles by logging in with your Google account. To do this, simply select Turn on Sync and proceed with logging in with your Google account. In addition, you can also use Chrome in guest mode. The guest mode works outside any of the user accounts and it does not store any history or website cookies. It's useful to temporarily allow another person to use a web browser with no access to your personal browsing history.